Welcome to MedSeekers. I hope you all are doing great. In this video, we'll be talking in detail about Common University Entrance Test for Post-Graduation Masters in Public Health program. Before diving into today's video, if you are new to my channel, I welcome you to MedSeekers. I post all the educational content related to medicos, paramedics and public health professionals. Do consider subscribing to channel if it's helpful for you. If you are interested in today's video, do hit the like button. This is my Insta ID MedSeekers9. This is just a brief outline of today's video, what I'll be talking through. In this video, I'll be talking about what is Common University Entrance Test for Post-Graduation Masters in Public Health program, which universities are offering Masters in Public Health program under Common University Entrance Test, last date to apply for CUSET PG, what is the eligibility criteria for all the 5 universities, entrance exam pattern and syllabus. See, one point I would like to tell you, student can apply to all the 5 universities if you meet the eligibility criteria. For all the 5 universities, we have only one entrance exam. So if you fulfill the eligibility criteria, please mark all, means when you are filling the application form, tick all that universities whichever you want to apply. See, if you are interested to study in JNU Delhi Masters in Public Health program, you can take JNU Delhi. Apart from JNU Delhi, you can tick all the 4 also, because suddenly if any university cutoff goes high, you will have rest 4 options. You have only one entrance right for all the 5 universities. In that way, CUSET PG will help you. 5 universities are offering Masters in Public Health program under Common University Entrance Test for Post-Graduation courses. First one, we have Central University of Hyderabad. Second one, JNU Delhi. Third one, Central University of Kerala, which is located in Kasaragod. Fourth one, we have Central University of Tamil Nadu. Here we have MSc Epidemiology course. Fifth one is Epix University, Rajasthan. Students have to write only one entrance exam for all the 5 universities. When you are filling your application form, please tick all the universities whichever you want to apply. Coming to important dates and fee details for Common University Entrance Test PG 2022, please don't wait till the last date. 18th June 5 pm online submission of application form portal will be closed. If any students haven't applied till now, please go and apply now itself, because 17th and 18th June server might be busy and you will face difficulty in applying. Please apply today itself if you haven't applied till date, and you have a chance to pay up examination fee till 19th June 11:50 pm. And for general category, application fee is 800. For OBC category, it's 600. OBC and general EWS. SC, ST and third gender, it's 550. For PWD, it's 500. Up to 3 papers you can apply the same application fee. See, if you want to apply for 4 papers, then you have to pay additional 200 for each paper according to your category. Correction window will be open from 20 June to 22nd June. One point I would like to tell all the aspirants who are watching this video, please don't wait till the correction window. When you are applying, please fill your application form carefully. Take your SSC marks card or your Aadhaar card or any other valid identity proof, and please fill all your details correctly, like name, age, gender, category. Please don't do mistakes in name, age, gender, category and everything. Like if you want to apply for 5 universities, please tick all the 5 universities, because you have to write only one entrance for all the 5 universities. Later on you can decide, like if you are not interested to go in that university, it's okay, but if you apply for all the 5 universities, there might be chances that you get in at least one university. Suppose you want to join particularly in only one university, you have applied for that university, and suddenly if merit goes high, and you will miss all the other 4 universities. So please fill your application form carefully, and your admit card, date of admission, date of examination, everything will be announced later on NTA website. And your examination is computer based online entrance exam. Please be familiar with CBT. Take some practice test on online. You will have 2 shifts. One is from 10 am to 12 noon and second shift is from 3 pm to 5 noon. And for any details, please visit this NTA official website, and all the details in this video have been taken from CUSET PG prospectus. Please download the prospectus for further reference. Listen to this particular part of video very carefully. Before applying for CUSET PG, you have 5 universities offering Masters in Public Health program. For all the 5 universities, students have to take only one entrance exam, but each university have different eligibility criteria. JNU Delhi has a different eligibility criteria, and the rest 4 each one has their own unique eligibility criteria. Please read the eligibility criteria very carefully. You can download the prospectus or you can take a snap of this video, because I have taken all the data from CUSET PG prospectus itself. Coming to JNU Delhi eligibility criteria, students should have bachelor's level degree with minimum duration of 4 years in clinical sciences, that is MBBS, Ayush, BAMS, BDS, BAMS, Unani Medicine, Siddha Medicine, BHMS, BPT, BOT, BSc Nursing, BVSc, or a professional degree with minimum 55% of marks from a recognized university or institution. If you have grading system, you should have at least grade B in UGC 7-point scale. Apart from UG degrees, master's level degree in social sciences, humanities, management students, technology and allied subjects with minimum 50% of marks from a recognized university are eligible. Please read the eligibility criteria very carefully before you apply to any university. Coming to eligibility criteria for University of Hyderabad, students should have bachelor's level degree in medicine, dentistry, Ayush, physiotherapy, nursing, nutrition, pharmacology, veterinary sciences, agriculture sciences, social sciences, or any other science degree. Even students with arts and humanities degree who are interested in public health are also encouraged to apply. And remember this, you should have minimum 55% of marks in your UG exam. Coming to eligibility criteria for Central University of Kerala, students should have bachelor's level degree in medicine, Ayush, dentistry, veterinary, nursing, allied health sciences, life sciences, stats, biostats, demography, population studies, nutrition, sociology, psychology, anthropology, social work, engineering, biomedical sciences, law, management, public policy and economics. See, there is no age limit in Central University of Hyderabad. Some students have commented what are allied health sciences. All this BSc perfusion technology, BSc cardiac care technology, BSc operational care technology, BSc emergency medicine, BSc MLT, all these are allied health science courses. Coming to eligibility criteria for Central University of Tamil Nadu, students with graduation in biological and biomedical sciences are eligible to apply. Candidates should have secured minimum 60% marks or 6.5 CGPA if you belong to general category. If you belong to OBC non-creamy layer, you should have minimum 55%, or like if you have CGPA system, you should have minimum 6. If you belong to SC, ST, PWD category, you should have minimum 50% of marks or 5.5 CGPA. Coming to eligibility criteria for Apex University Rajasthan, students should have passed his or her degree with 50% of marks in bachelor's in public health or any other degree. Here they haven't specified any percentage of marks, but 50% for all categories. You might belong to general category, SC, ST, OBC. Everybody should have minimum 50% of marks. Coming to entrance exam syllabus for CUSET PG, see your code is PGQP35 for all the 5 universities. So you will have 100 MCQs, part A and part B. In part A you will have 25 MCQs, all related to comprehension, verbal ability, general knowledge, mathematical, quantitative ability and analytical skills. Part B is completely subject specific. All the questions will be from preventive and social medicine. Coming to marking scheme for CUSET PG entrance exam, we'll have 100 MCQs, each question carry 4 marks, so 100 into 4, totally your entrance exam is for 400 marks. For every correct answer, student will be awarded +4. For every incorrect answer, you will have deduction of marks -1. If you have left few questions unattempted or unanswered, there will not be any addition or deduction of marks. So please be very careful and be familiar with CBT pattern. You have negative marking in CUSET PG entrance exam. Soon in my upcoming videos, I will be talking about which are the ideal books for MPH entrance exam. Till then, please practice all the PYQ videos. We have 5 entrance exam series videos. I'll drop the link in the description box. Revise as many times as possible. Be clear with your basic concepts in preventive and social medicine. Any doubts, please feel free to comment. If so far this video is helpful for you, do hit a like button, and all the data in this video is from CUSET PG 2022 prospectus. Please download the prospectus for your reference and practice MCQ series videos. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.